Hello everyone! Good evening! Are you currently in a situation where you are asking yourself questions like, am I doing the right thing? Or is this freelance writing business really for me? Are you asking yourself that? Or maybe you are asking yourself, why am I not gaining the results that I want? So, ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayong gabi. If you have been experiencing yung mga moments na tinatanong nyo yung sarili nyo ng mga ganitong questions. I am Charlene June, also known as Mother Ant. So, I am a website copywriter for holistic or natural health entrepreneurs in the US and UK. And I am also your freelance writing mentor. Yan, if you are a busy mom or corporate employee who wants to start a freelance writing side gig in between your busy schedules. Okay, so let's start. So our topic for tonight is the 3 major mistakes freelance writers do or new freelance writers do that of course you have to avoid. So do you keep telling yourself that maybe you are not good in English, kaya nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo if you are doing the right thing dito sa industriya? Have you been saying that your style of writing is so boring also? So, isa ka ba doon sa mga nagsasabi na yung style of writing nila is wala lang, hindi siya pasado sa mga foreign clients, ganun? Or are you wondering if you can still succeed in this business even if yung last na article writing mo was 2 decades ago or I don't know, maybe more? Di ko po alam. So, you are doing one of the major mistakes kung ito yung mga lagi mong sinasabi sa sarili mo. Okay, so let me tell you this. Freelance writing is not just about being good in English. So, kahit na hindi ko alam kung gaano kataas yung grades mo sa English dati sa school, sa high school, college, or elementary, that doesn't matter. Because freelance writing, again, is not just about being good in English. If you love writing and you are willing to practice doing it every single day until it becomes your habit, then for sure you will succeed in this industry. Practice writing every day hanggang maging habit mo siya and you will succeed in this business. Sino sa inyo dito nagsasabi na yung mga articles niya boring? Yan. So let me tell you this. Yung mga boring na articles mo, sino nagsabi na hindi siya pwedeng i-tweak para maging exciting? 'Di ba? Pwede naman siyang ayusin para maging okay, kung ano man yung okay sa tingin mo. So, by the way, what's your idea of an exciting article? What's your idea of a not boring article? So, is it something that inspires the readers? Or is it something that educates them? Or maybe, your idea of an exciting article is something that entertains. So, whatever it is na sa tingin mo ay hindi boring na article, you have to know yourself as a writer. Aside from knowing yourself as a writer, yung first na dapat mong kinoconsider din is your readers. Sino yung mga magbabasa sa mga articles mo? Kapag kilala mo yung self mo as a writer and kung sino yung mga magbabasa sa articles mo, you will surely become the writer that you want to be. So with regards to your rusty writing skills naman, let me just share with you that one of my mentees in the Secret Society who is actually with us tonight dito sa live natin is already 40 plus years old. Pero, eto because she is an action taker And she kept trying her best. She is now actually enjoying it. Maski sabi niya dati, yung last na sinulat daw niyang article was like 2 decades ago pa. So if she can do it, I believe that you can too. So why not just try, di ba? Just try. So think of the keyword try. If you are thinking that yung writing mo is boring, you are not good in English, you have rusty English skills or writing skills, just try. Tapos yung sinabi ko kanina, practice. And of course, be an action taker. Okay? Be an action taker always. Hindi kayong pag may na-learn ka ngayon, ayan, stock knowledge na siya, i-apply ko na lang siya soon or later if magkakaroon ako ng client. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Okay? So remember, that is our mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is self-doubt. You have to believe in yourself. Para yung mga potential clients mo, they will also believe in you. Okay? So yan. So let's move on to mistake number 2. Right, so let me guess. Are you asking yourself na yung freelance writing ba talaga para sa akin? You are asking this question because you feel like you don't know how to pitch or impress a potential client. So yun ba yung reason? Kaya mo tinatanong if yung freelance writing business is really for you. Or maybe your reason is because you have tried already na mag-work sa isang client and he or she wasn't happy with your results. Or are you asking yourself this question because you already got rejected a lot of times, maybe more than 10 times? Yun ba yung mga rason kung bakit lagi mong sinasabi na or nagda-doubt ka na yung business ba na ito is para talaga sa'yo? So my dear writers, ayan, being too afraid of rejection is the number 2 major mistakes that freelance writers do kapag nag-i-start pa lang sila sa industriya. So you have also to avoid this right now. As in right now, you have to avoid being too afraid of rejection. So let me share with you that rejection is a common thing in the freelancing industry as a whole. Hindi lang sa freelance writing industry nangyayari ang rejection. Sa buong industriya, kahit na ano pa yung mga skills na i-offer mo, mangyayari ang rejection because it's already part of it. Kasi ang dami-dami na natin dito. Yun. And I am a living proof of that. Kasi, kung sa tingin mo, nag-iisa ka na ikaw lang yung nagkaroon ng 10 or more than 10 rejections, let me tell you that ako din. Before I won my first ever freelance writing client, I also got rejected not just 10 times, but maybe more than 20 times or more than 30 times, hindi ko alam. Okay? And until now, yes, totoo, until now, I still experience rejections. Hindi ako laging nakakawin ng mga clients. So, sobrang swerte ko naman, di ba? Kung lahat ng pinipitch ko or ina-applyan ko, nawiwin ko yung project. Hindi. I still experience rejections. And you know what? Nasanay na ako. Hindi ko alam, nasanay na nga ba ako or what? I don't know. But ito, I have talked about handling rejections in the freelance writing industry sa isa sa mga videos natin na pwede nyong makita sa unit section kung hindi nyo pa napanood. Pero do it later kasi gusto kong i-share sa inyo na yung mga potential clients, nire-reject ka nila because they are not your ideal client. So, ikaw, gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa clients na hindi mo ideal client? I mean, na ayaw mong makatrabaho. 'Di ba? So, they are doing the favor for you. Sa totoo lang. Totoo yon na kapag nire-reject ka nila, hindi ibig sabihin na ikaw yung mali. Hindi ikaw yung may mali or hindi ikaw yung may kulang. Hindi lang talaga sila yung perfect match para sa'yo. Para relationship lang ba? Yun. So, I know how it feels. Yes, I really know how it feels kasi sobrang nung time na nagkakaroon ako ng mga multiple rejections, sobrang na-frustrate ako, lalo pa at syempre, I super need talaga ng extra income that time. Pero hindi ako nakakapag-win ng mga clients. So, I ended up actually giving up. Nag-pause ako sa freelance writing journey ko. I said, this is not for me. So, I paused. But after that, siguro, sabi ni Lord, no, Charlene, this is for you. Kaya there was a time na pinamulat niya ulit sa akin na you can do this. And I tried my best. Sige, sabi ko, kahit na ma-reject ako, hindi ko na bibilangin. Kaya nga hindi ko na ma-recall, di ba? Hindi ko na masabi sa inyo kung 30 plus times ba or hindi ko alam, baka 50 plus times pa nga eh. Yun. So, ito yung na-realize ko talaga. Totoo yung sinasabi nila na you have to fail fast to succeed. Or, rephrase natin, fail fast and succeed later. So, kung kunyari, hindi natuwa yung client mo sa result ng article na sinubmit mo sa kanya, you have to find out the reason why and improve, diba? Keep failing and keep improving or growing. Kaya mo ba yon? Yes? Keep failing but keep moving on and keep growing. Yan. So, kung sa tingin mo, walang dating yung mga pitch letters mo, yung mga cover letters mo kasi hindi pinapansin ng mga potential clients mo, you have to find out why. Huwag kung ano yung ginagawa mo, yun pa rin yung paulit-ulit mong gagawin. So, what's that? You're just wasting your time. You have to know why. Baka naman copy-paste lang yung mga pitch letters or cover letters mo, di ba? So yun, aralin mo yung rason kung bakit ka nare-reject. And huwag kang mag-stick sa mga templates or samples na nakikita mo online or maybe one of these days mag-share ako sa inyo ng mga templates, ganyan. Huwag kang mag-stick doon. Huwag yun yung kinokopya mo tapos pinapalitan mo lang and then yun na talaga. No, kasi hindi pare-pareho yung mga gusto ng mga clients natin. Hindi pare-pareho ang mga tao, 'di ba? So maybe meron din silang guidelines kung paano mag-hire ng mga freelance writers or kung paano maghanap ng best freelance writer for the company. Pero meron pa ring meron pa ring puso yung mga potential clients natin. So hindi sila robot na kung correct yung pitch letter, sige, hire na to, or close na yung deal. Siya na ang kukunin nating writer. Hindi ganon. Hindi sila robot. So, we have to discover along the way kung ano yung mga mali sa ginagawa natin, pag-aralan natin, ayusin natin, i-improve natin. So, ito, yung kanina, fail fast and succeed later, gamitin natin ulit. Get rejected fast and win your ideal client later. So, how does that sound? Mas masaya? Kaysa yung sasabihin mo na, ayoko nang ituloy, hindi to para sa akin kasi lagi akong nire-reject. Anong better dun sa dalawa? So, what's our number 2 mistake again? Number 2 mistake is being too afraid of rejections. So if you are ready to get rejections fast so that you can win your ideal client later, comment, I am ready for rejections. Proceed na tayo sa ating number 3 na major mistake na ginagawa ng mga new freelance writers. Okay, so alam kong maraming makaka-relate dito. Kasi lagi kong nababasa, sinasabi ninyo, I get easily bored writing. Meron mga nagsasabi sa akin yan, nabobore ako sa pagsusulat. Or I always experience writer's block. Yung iba pa sa inyo, I don't earn high-paying clients and I don't know why. Ito yung mga sinasabi. So, raise your hands kung isa ka doon sa mga nagsasabing, nabobore na ako sa pagsusulat, nagkakaroon ako ng writer's block, or hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ako nakakawin ng mga high-paying clients. So, ang ating number 3 naman na major mistake is not knowing who you are and who you want to serve. One of the biggest reasons why you get bored writing or experience writer's block is, ano yung reason? It's because you don't want to talk about your topic. Tama ba ako? Nabobore kayo sa pagsusulat or nagkakaroon kayo ng writer's block kasi ayaw nyo yung topic na sinusulat ninyo. So ito, gusto ko itong tanungin sa inyo. Why force yourself to write about a topic that you are not comfortable talking about if you have the freedom to choose a niche that actually matches your personality, your mission, your passion, or your purpose in life? Hindi ba mas masaya kung yung niche mo, yung mga topic na pinag-uusapan mo sa articles mo, aligned sa kahit isa lang dito sa mga nabanggit ko? Your personality, your passion, your mission, and your life's purpose. Yon. So, try nyo magsulat ng mga topics na nandun sa mga nabanggit kong categories. And let me know if you still get bored or if you still experience writer's block. And then, let's find out why. So, yan. Lastly, I want to let you know that the key to winning high-paying clients is actually mastering their niche. And if their niche is your niche, your relationship will surely be a great one. Magsisimula yan, yung relationship ninyo na buo talaga even during your strategy calls, your consultation calls, or your interviews. Kasi kapag mahal mo yung topic, kapag passionate ka sa topic, kapag comfortable ka, oo, mahirap, 'di ba? Mahirap talaga maging writer. Sino ba nagsabi na madali? Pero yun nga, parang kailangan din na merong relationship sa sarili mo kapag ikaw ay nagsusulat para at least na maging smooth flowing yung pagsusulat natin. Yun yung mga 3 major mistakes that new freelance writers do. So, una is self-doubt. Number 2, ano yung number 2? Too afraid of rejections. And number 3 is not knowing who you are and who you want to work with. So those are the 3 major mistakes na dapat na i-avoid na natin right now. As in now na. Thank you so much. Ayan, bye-bye na po. Good night and God bless everyone.